Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on additional settings. On the third position we've got date and time, and as you can see here we've got the options which we can customize. So right now the date and time are set automatically, and if we want to set it manually, just tap on this switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see right now we can manage the time zone, date and time. So let's begin with the time. After tapping on it, we can just by swiping pick the time we want to use. So let me pick 5 o'clock. And now let's tap on the date, and the same situation, just by swiping we can pick another date which we want to currently have, and we can tap on the time zone, and after tapping on it, here we've got the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick, for example, this one. Okay, it can be this one, and as you can see it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As you can see right now we've got 8 o'clock. I've previously had 5 o'clock, I believe. So okay, let me tap on it in order to just hide it, and here you can decide if you want to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Of course it's up to you. If you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it will immediately be applied. Here you've got also options which are connected to the home screen world clock and the dual clock. It's up to you if you want to customize it, if you want to use it. So this is how to manually set date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings and just tap on the switcher to set it automatically, and here to use it in 24-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.